Okay guys, I'm on my second account now. I'm gonna open a few packs. So let's go. Okay, who do we get? Hopefully someone decent. Come on. And oh, we get company! I've got company! Shit! Fuck! I've got company in a pack! This is one of my first packs ever. I've got company! Shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Company! I've got fucking company! Oh shit! This is the best starter pack ever! Oh my god! Oh fuck! Yes! Yes! Best starter pack ever. Anyway, let's move on to the next pack. Oh my god, I got company. Oh. And in this pack, we didn't get anyone.
And yeah, so let's open another pack. So if you started off with some of these packs, you pretty much end up with like a discard value of around 5,000 coins. Oh, Torres! Torres! Fernando Torres! Fucking get in! Get in there! Yes! I will take that. I will fucking take that. I don't even think he's worth that much. But Torres, that is pretty damn fantastic for an account I actually found out recently that I had the other persona on. This was my very first PSN account, so that is fantastic. Torres and Michael Carrick. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, let's have a look at how much they're actually worth.
Kind of buy them now really, because they're gonna shoot up in price no matter which way you look at it. Another pack here with Alaba on the front. I'm not gonna skip any of these packs. I don't think there's any point. I didn't even see who that was. Hulk! Oh my god, Hulk! Oh shit! Hulk! Oh my god! Whoa! 84 rated. Holy hell! There you go, boys. Big boy Hulk. Oh yes. Traore and Podolski. Ben Yedder again for the second time. Oh my god, I think I just shat a brick. Hulk, hello! Oh my god, 86 pace. He's got like 19 game strength as well. Bit of a downgrade since last year, but who the hell gives a shit? How much is he going for right now? Wow, that's a nice pack. That's the best pack I've got on FIFA 14 then. I got Soldado earlier, but Hulk, that is insane. Hello, friend. Damn. Oh, and Podolski as well. Oh, wow. Oh, boys. Damn. My pack luck, eh?
If you want, leave a like down below. That'll be awesome. Let's get into this pack opening. Bang. We have one all plays pack. We're opening. I'm not looking. I'm not damn looking. What am I gonna get? What the fuck, Cavani? Cavani. We got Cavani. Looks like I'm gonna do a review when Ultimate Team comes out and I get the game. It's gonna be a wrap. Oh my god, hard. Woo! Cavani! I can have another roll. Nah, I'm done. Ha, that's nice. Ho! Cavani's very nice. Let's open some more packs. Come on. This is my lucky day. Hey. This is my lucky day.
Could have gotten better, but it's okay. Alaba this time, please. Messi, Ronaldo, Ibrahimovic, come on. Yes, come on. Please. No. Oh my god, you give me oh my god. Husky! Oh my god, it's Husky time! Nothing! Husky time, baby! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I think I made 25k on this pack already. This is gonna be awesome. Let's get time. It's coming for you. Oh my god, I have never been so bloody happy in my bloody life. Pack opening here. Ibrahimovic! Ah, Iniesta!